everybody, it's Brooke here from Anita Goodesign, and for this tips and tricks video, I am going to be talking about our 4x4 collections that are released each month and how they all come with one blank block for you to merge your designs. Now here I have our modern motif design. This is our giraffe. You can place this embroidery collection on anything that you like. Here we have this little circle pillow for a bohemian style feature. So as I remove this pillow, I'm going to show you that it also comes with our 4x4 blank blocks. Now you can take these blocks and use them however you like. I have 4 blank ones here, and I also have merged our designs onto these blocks. Now merging your 4x4 designs is very easy. All you have to do is follow whatever you have on your sewing machine. For our sewing machine here, all you need to do is place your blank block file into your machine and press the add button. You will then add the specific motif that you are looking to stitch. Now merging this stuff is super easy. You can come up with a lot of different ways to make different pillows or any home decor for your room. I hope this tip helps you when you're sewing next.